An unforeseen predatory organism has been observed in New Mexico and Texas. Classified as highly aggressive, nocturnal, and humanoid in form, the creature resembles a mutated barn owl, exhibiting unnatural strength, speed, and predatory intelligence. It hunts at night, only eating large animals, aquatic life, and human flesh. Reports confirm the creature emits a high-pitched screech, capable of detecting even the slightest sound in its vicinity. Do not panic. Do not react audibly. Do not run. If confronted, follow these protocols immediately.
1. Remain motionless and silent. Do not attempt to confront the creature. 2. Seek enclosed or elevated shelter, preferably with a solid overhead barrier. 3. Avoid making any noise. Even a whisper may provoke aggression. 4. Contact local authorities immediately, reporting time, location, and observed behavior. If you're cornered and can't contact authorities, grab any strong surface and use it as a shield, blocking any attacks. If there aren't any, get into the fetal position, covering your neck, face, and vital organs. Make as much noise as possible to alert anybody else passing by. If you have a firearm, do not shoot it. It will only aggravate the beast. Instead, bang it against the floor to make noise to alert somebody. Any form of attacking Monstrum Killerum will not help you in any way. Causing damage to the creature will only anger it even more. Don't try to communicate with it either. Try your best to dodge the monster. If you've escaped the cornered situation, try to map out an escape route. If there aren't any places for you to escape to in time, hide behind any sort of furniture. It won't stay long, and search for its prey.
Failure to comply may result in severe injury or death. The organism is extremely dangerous, with survival contingent on complete adherence to these instructions. Remain vigilant. Avoid nocturnal exposure. Stay inside after sundown. And stay safe.